Welcome to BuckyDrop's summary of the global Shopify sellers' weekly best-selling list. We hope these statistics will help you succeed in your dropshipping business. Let's start now. The first one is North America's best-selling product, the Say Yes to Adventure t-shirt. The second one is South America best-selling product, the weightlifting hooks. The third one is Asian best-selling product, the French niche brand's bag. The fourth one is Europe best-selling product, the folding fan. The fifth one is Oceania best-selling product, the wool slippers. The sixth one is Africa best-selling product, the towel rail. Here is last week's list of global Shopify sellers' weekly best-selling products. All these products can be sourced from the BuckyDrop platform. If you want to add them to your Shopify store, comment with the product name, and I will send you the source links of the product. You can import them into Shopify with just one click. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video with the latest hot-selling product recommendations. Thank you for watching.